Hello, friends. We've got a special project planned today. Can you guess what it is? Drum roll, please. It's a mini book. Let's get started making this super cute mini book. All you need is some paper, pencils, coloring supplies, and scissors. We're going to start by taking a blank sheet of paper and folding it in half like a hot dog. Make sure it's creased really well. Now let's fold it in half hamburger ways so it's wide. Let's fold it one more time, wide ways. So now it looks like a little book. Make sure it's creased really well. You can use scissors to help. Now we're going to unfold our paper and let's make a cut right down the middle. To do that, we're going to fold our paper like a hamburger and we're just going to cut right along this crease. Nice. Now you can see we've got a perfect little cut right here. Now we're going to push the ends in to make a diamond shape. Push them in until it folds flat. Now fold it in half. Give it a good crease. And now we've got a tiny book. Let's glue these little pages together so that they will stay put. I'll put a little glue in the corners here and glue down the pages so that they will stay closed. Nice job. Look at our adorable tiny blank book. Thank you for making this adorable miniature book with me today. I had such a fun time.
Thanks for joining me today on this awesome adventure. It was so much fun. For more fun videos and resources for kids, visit the website howtobeakid.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, bye!
How to be a kid.